painting faces on a screen, the sharpest look I've ever seen. A quiet life in high definition, losing touch with my intuition. Modern boys in vintage clothes strike a pose that no one knows. The neon glow upon your skin hides the chaos deep within.